Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to download and install Virtualbox on Windows 11. Open your favorite browser, search for virtualbox.org. Powerful open source virtualization. Get started. Here is a Virtualbox for different operating system: Windows, Mac, Linux, and extra. Download for your operating system. I use Windows. Open it. Double click on Virtualbox. It has so easy step. Just click next. Accept the license agreement. Next. Next. Warning, network interface. Don't worry about that. Yes. Next. Install. It is finished. Finish. Now it is ready to use. Search for Virtualbox. Oracle Virtualbox. Open it. Now it is ready to install any operating system you want, like Windows, Linux, and extra. Have a good time. See you soon.